Hi all. Through this video, I'm introducing you a complete online accounting system developed exclusively for travel agencies. Okay, our software is called Traventry. This is a cloud-based system. That means the online system is an application that does not require any installation. You can access the software from anywhere from the world if you have an internet connection available. Traventry is a system that can be accessed from anywhere, whether you are traveling or at the office or at home or even from your mobile as well. Traventry provides a link. By using this link, you can access the software. You can use a username and password in that link to access the software from wherever you prefer. We are providing unlimited users. That means the admin has the option to create as many users as he want and allot the necessary permission to each and every user separately. Traventry is designed to be extremely user friendly and simple to use. Even if you don't have an accounting background, you can easily use it. It's not necessary for users to have in-depth accounting knowledge. Whether you are an accountant or someone with a basic familiarity with travel field. Traventry provides a straightforward system for users to manage their tasks. If it's a software like Tally, it needs an accountant professional. Otherwise, people who are not accountants can never use the software like Tally. A travel agency owner or a travel agent, just called travel agent, does not necessarily have to be someone who needs to know accounts. If they need a report of their own firm, they will need to contact their accountant, or whatever the accountant gives is their accounts. If they want to check it later, it is very difficult. But a system like Traventry makes it very simple for them to check what they want wherever they are and access it the way they want. Since it's an online system, as mentioned earlier, it can be accessed from anywhere. Also, if there are any updates, there should have some system updates. It's very easy to make them available to you without interrupting the software. And also, it allows you to use it in multiple computers, multiple systems simultaneously, regardless of how many systems you want to work on. Each staff member can create separate users and provide them with real-time updates, granting them access at any time, and you can allot the permissions as well. In an online system scenario, the system's performance, that means a computer's performance, does not affect your software natively. This means that our software remains unaffected by the performance of your computer. If you are, just suppose, if your system becomes damaged, then if you want to switch from one computer to another, one system to another, you won't need to worry about any data loss since your data is stored online. But if it's an offline software, the situation differs. We may lose our data. If the data coming from online sync as well, then we need to install it again and restore the data, which is a very time-taking process. So when you have an online software solution, you won't have to be concerned about any data loss or difficulties of data migration between these computers, between these systems. Since it's a system developed exclusively for travel agencies, A to Z things related to accounts of the travel agency are available in our software. We simplify your workflow by offering services such as creating invoices, managing receipts, payments, generating journal vouchers, creating quotations, perform invoices, refunds, credit note, debit note, etc. Our Software's customers reports features enables you to generate specialized reports in real time, allowing you to stay on top of your agency's financial performance. Whether you are dealing with GST or VAT in Middle East countries, our software can handle it very automatically. Tax calculations, including complex calculation like automatic VAT and GST calculations, become very easy with Traventry. You can also generate various tax related reports as well, B2C reports and B2C reports separately. Similarly, Traventry is equipped with a lot of helpful, useful reminders to make your task more manageable, such as list of people traveling within the next 5 days, then expiring visa details, to-do list like important dates, and also a list of uncleared due invoices if it's not cleared as on date. Let me introduce you some of the main features of Traventry. Firstly, customer and supplier management. For each customer and supplier, you can create a separate profile for customers and suppliers. Includes contact details, mail IDs, their addresses, GST or VAT codes, and other relevant informations, including B2C customer or B2C customers. You can also manage agencies who come as both customers and suppliers. You can categorize them as a separate category neutral. You can manage it in a single ledger. Then additionally, for some people who act as intermediaries, that means you can we just call them as commission agents. You can manage the commission you need to provide to them as well. This type of people, you can manage it as agents. Then you can handle general ledgers like your assets, liabilities, expenses, and incomes using the software. Then you can group the ledgers however you want. A staff-based group can be done. A service-based groups can be done. Similarly, a parent and child-based can be done. If you want to create a main customer or main head and create sub-customers or sub-ledgers under it, you can manage each sub-customers and consolidated parent head as well. You can you can generate the reports as well with respect to this parent and for as individual child as well. Then what all services you do in your office, you can efficiently manage and take reports with respect to each services separately using Traventry, like ticketing, visa services, attestation, immigration, holiday packages, train tickets, Hajj and Umrah services, etc. Then multiple branches handling. You can handle multiple branches in a same link. You can switch to another branch and take the or enter the entries to another branches as well. And also mini CRM option. This option is to note incoming inquiries or leads and follow up later. Then by using auto emailing feature, this feature a feature that allows customers to mail all your customer statements or invoices from the software itself will also be available. Then you can add invoices, airline invoices and miscellaneous invoices separately. You can add all your flight tickets in airline invoice and all other services except flight ticket like visa, attestation, immigration are in miscellaneous invoice, MISC invoices. And in airline invoices, you can include details such as ticket numbers or PNR, travel dates, passport numbers, sector information, and any other necessary informations. And also, sometimes we have to split up the supplier amount like PLB, YQ, supplier basic fares, commissions, other taxes, and TDS deducted, etc. That's also available. Similarly, we can manage the miscellaneous invoice as well. Then receipts, payments, contra entries. During the time of issuing receipts for cash or bank transactions, you can enter the receipts and provide them with printed receipts. Likewise, for payments, whether it's our supplier payments or agent's commission or our expenses like stationery expense or rent or salary, we can manage all payments. Similarly, for contra entries, that means your own deposits and withdrawals, and manage post-dated checks in PD receipt and PD payments options. that have been recorded. Then you can manage journal vouchers. That means credit debit adjustments between different heads, multiple heads if required. We can handle bank reconciliation as well. Then similarly for refund option, whether it's an airline refunds or miscellaneous refunds, it's very easy to handle refunds with our software. Then options are available for quotations, for preparing quotations, perform invoices, credit notes, debit notes. Then bulk invoice printing, we can handle multiple invoices in a single invoice format. Then handling documents, you can give acknowledgement slip to customers. Then currency denomination options. Then complete bill options, LP options, and many more options are available. If you want to edit the transactions that created earlier, the option to edit or print or delete will be available to whomever you have given the permission to. Similarly, there is another option, invoice bulk upload. By using this option, if you have prepared the Excel sheet in a specific format, you can upload it, and the system will automatically generate all the invoices accordingly. Then if you want to match the invoices and receipts, the matching option is also available. But this is not a mandatory option. But in some softwares, it is mandatory to match all the invoices and receipt. It's not possible at all in a travel agency. Then our Traventry is not like that. By default, there is no need to match between the receipts and invoices to go ahead. But the accounts will be perfect. If you want to match and set off some ledgers, then the option will be available to match and take the set of reports as well. Then there is an option to group the transactions, allowing individuals who handle tasks like Hajj and Umrah to generate separate group-wise profit reports, group-wise outstanding reports. You can use this grouping of transaction options. The software provides an option to generate outstanding reports for this grouping option. Then some searching options. You can search and entering already entered transactions by using ticket numbers or passport numbers, file numbers, transaction numbers, or by using dates as well. By using this search result, you can edit or print or delete the transactions. Then for customized printing of invoices, receipts, or payment vouchers and other documents, you can include your letterhead, logo, address, contact details, GST or VAT numbers, etc. Similarly, a variety of reports also available. You can generate a customer statement in various ways, customer and supplier statements, or each ledger specific separate statement are available. Then cash books, bank statements, matching reports, correction report, that means audit log for admins, then DSR report, that means daily sales report, then sales summary reports. Sales summary, you can take customized sales summary with respect to customer sales summary, staff based, service based, airline based. Any customization is possible for your sales summary reports that you can generate in detail or by in a summary format. Then final reports like trial balances, balance sheet, profit and loss, the total receivables and payables, that means outstanding reports, aging reports, GST or VAT summary reports, etc. available. Here I am showing you some samples screenshot of our system. This is a sample of a ticket invoice. We can see all your logo, address, everything will be there, then ticket details and everything, and then along with bank account details. This is a receipt format. This is a GST invoice, where you can see the GST split up, IGST, SGST, CGST split ups will be there, then HSN code, bank account details, everything will be there. This is a bulk invoice print where you can see multiple invoices in a single invoice format. This is a complete customer bill where you can see invoices in the first section, then receipts. If there's refunds or payments, is also available in this invoice. This is a cash book. You can see the daily closing and the consolidated closing of the cash as well. Likewise, you can take the bank statement as well. This is a matching report, set of report. This customer statement. This report you can send to your customers. This is a reminder section, traveling nearby section. Then is a pro forma invoice, quotation. This is a complete sales report where you can see all the customer details, what is the service, what is the supplier name, what is the supplier cost, tax, profit. Every split up is there and count as well. This is the trial balance report, balance sheet, profit and loss report, GST summary report where you can take B2B detailed report and B2C detailed report separately. Then hundreds of agencies, that means hundreds of satisfied agencies are using our software from India and in Middle East as well. Then about our customer support is available whenever you need it, regardless of any time zones or working hours. You can ask the people who use our software, and you will understand how much customer support we provide. Not only customer for our not only support for our software, we also provide accounting related queries as well. People even say about us that we are the persons who made many travel agents to accountants. Okay, some of the client list who use our software are available on our website www.traventry.com. If you need a detailed list of clients, contact us, and we will have no difficulty in providing you with a detailed list of people. If you interested to do our software, to activate our software, after providing your details, we can activate the software within hours. Our training videos are also available on YouTube, both in English and Malayalam. If you need direct training, we can arrange an online training session according to your time through AnyDesk or by connecting Google Meet. And also we are providing auditing services for those who need auditing and GST filing services, ITR filing services as well. And also virtual accounting service for those who do not have an accountant. We have set up a separate wing and do the accounts with them for anyone who need virtual accounting. This is all about Traventry. The detailed training video will be available in YouTube as well. Our contact details are shared here. If you need any assistance or any clarification, you can contact us by through call or by WhatsApp. Then our email ID is info@traventry.in and our website is traventry.com.